Dal Lake. This is Dal Lake.
Dal Lake.
Which dal? The one we eat every day?
Masoor dal.
That one?
Arhar dal.
Ah. Dal Lake. We better swim.
There you go.
And I mean,
There you go.
can I record it? Watching me die. Rahmati.
शूज निकाल सकते हैं ना? डर तो लगता है भाई इसमें, लेकिन फिर भी बढ़ गए। Little bit scary. Ew, bismillah.
Shall we take our shoes off?
Yeah.
Yeah, shoes off.
हाँ? रफी। और पूरा नाम? मोहम्मद रफी। आपका नाम क्या? गाना गाते हैं? मोहम्मद रफी साहब को जानते हैं? अल्लाह उसको जन्नत दे, सच बोल रहा है। हाँ। क्या अंकल जी, ये तो एक्साइटेड है।
इधर से लेगा मार्केट से, ठीक है?
क्यों ये सीधा नहीं है?
ये वाला बंद है, जो वाटर है ना, डल लेक में लेगा यहाँ से 10 मिनट। 10 मिनट यू कैन वेट।
कहाँ पे?
10 मिनट
किस लिए?
फॉर वाटर।
अच्छा, अभी नहीं खुलेगा क्या?
बंद है।
अच्छा, शो थोड़ी देर में बाद खुलेगा। ठीक है, कोई नहीं, आप जाने।
बताए आप?
खुलेगा नहीं ना?
Hi Mama. How was it?
Hi. रहे हैं भैया, बहुत अच्छा करवा रहे हैं, चलाते भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, अच्छे बात भी कर रहे हैं। जो बंदा आए भैया, किस घर में आप बैठे हैं? घर नंबर 4 में बैठे हैं हमेशा। जो भी है भाई से बात बहुत अच्छे से घुमाते हैं।
Nice.
Yeah, that's right. I'll be barbecue paneer, mushroom, some pork, chicken, fish.
इसको बोलते हैं फ्लोटिंग लैंड्स।
अच्छा, इसको
दिस इज फ्लोटिंग लैंड पॉइंट नंबर 4। हाँ,
अच्छा
these are floating lands। उस पे जमीन पे सब्जी भी उगाता है। These are fruits।
भैया, कश्मीरी स्पेशल खाना क्या है इधर, जो स्पेशल सब है खाने में?
खाने में ड्राई फ्रूट्स।
नहीं कि जो नॉन वेज में
नॉन वेज में रिश्ता
अच्छा रिश्ता।
हाँ, आप गेट नंबर 2 है ना, वहाँ पर मिलेगा सस्ता।
अच्छा
ओके, ट्राई इट, ट्राई बहुत मस्त।
अच्छा
मार्केट दिखाएगा।
अच्छा, इधर मार्केट है?
मार्केट है ना, मीना बाजार बोलो ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। ये मीना बाजार कब से है भाई, जो मुगलों के समय से? दिल्ली में
के समय से नहीं,
हाँ
40 साल।
30-40 साल से।
Hey, drink chip juice, hello.
हामी मुद्दा छ त यादकै खरै नि आफ्नो।
कौन सा मार्केट?
सर जी
ये कैसे कैसे दिया? नहीं ठीक है।
आपको भी क्या है? हाँ सिस्टर, आपको भी क्या है?
हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा हवा चलने लगा. Just a portion, you know? Yeah, like this. No, like before. Like before. Yeah, no, this hand, you know?
Side make down.
Yes.
Okay, this is yeah. Make the correct.
I get it.
No, my driver is Munawar. Baby, drive it. I'm gonna pay less to brother.
Yeah, because
I will pay you less because I have new driver. Yeah, आपका.
I'm making it to order.
Extra because
ये गेट नंबर 2 में बोलो ना अच्छा खाने का मिलेगा. गेट नंबर 2 में ना खाने को अच्छा मिलेगा. अच्छा अच्छा.
Yeah, finally. We had a trip. Thank you, Bea.
yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Let's go, Mama.
How is now situation in Iraq now? Good?
It's pretty good in my place. Yeah, everything is getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, bro.
Let's go.
You go gate number 2, okay?
अच्छा अच्छा.
Gate number 2 है ना? And there is gully going inside. And there is you can find the mutton shops, okay? Kashmiri Wazwan, okay?
Kashmiri Wazwan.
And you get the cheap beef, okay?
Thank
Okay.
you.
See you inshallah. huh?
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Next time.
Thank you.
Khuda.
Khuda Hafiz.
Everything.
Yeah.
You know have Kashmiri Wazwan.
Dude, it's gonna rain. Oh. It is raining.
How it was Shikara?
With my mom?
Yeah, with your mom. Tell me, son, how it was?
It was great actually. The only thing, we were like a little bit tired.
Is that the point, you know?
Yeah, but like I feel like you said, I barely opened my eyes. Like,
Oh, there was one more thing, you know,
Yeah.
because we come from Delhi, there was so much pollution.
yeah,
Here the weather is
it's clear.
clear.
We are not
That's
used
why-
to it.
Yeah, you know, this weather is not suiting us. That's the
Yeah,
point.
we are used to like
We
a.
need some dirty weather.
Yeah, that's true. I do agree with you with that, Mama. Yeah. How much was it?
800.
800 for each.
No, 400 for each.
Oh, he said that. He said that. Okay.
Yeah, you know, when we were bargaining, you know, if you say for the beginning there was just 4,000 for Shikara, but if you bargain, see we bargain, we have done all of the trips with 400 each.
Okay.
800 both of us have done Shikara right.
Okay, but you were saying like 30 something like that.
No, because you know there was rain. Because of rain he cancelled. No, there is 12 points to visit by people. We visited.
So beautiful. Hi. Sorry. you said you wanna play with kids. We did it. That was actually like a beautiful kid, beautiful child.
Imagine the one thing. We'll catch any kid, you know, cute kid, then we'll go with this.
Have you seen like those animation movies?
Yeah.
Those little kids? Exactly look like that one. Yeah. I have a problem with that GoPro. Because once I use it, like I go to that restaurant, whatever it is, they give us expensive prices, you know. Like
Yeah, that's why, you know,
so-
now I turn it off.
yeah.
Yeah,
Once we get it, then we're gonna shoot. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
Okay, bye, Manawar.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
See you in the restaurant.
See you.
Mama, where are we?
We're in
Samsis.
Samsis
Samsis.
restaurant. Samsis restaurant.
Samsis. Is it Samsis?
Samsis.
Yeah, Samsis.
We're in
Yeah,
Samsis.
momos are coming on the way. Yeah. So, what is this? Meat?
Rishta.
Okay, rasta.
Kashmiri rishta.
Okay.
Kebab.
Kebab.
I don't know this name. This is Kashmiri roti. This one is more like
Momos, and this is
steamer.
steamer, yeah.
This is we cannot find anywhere else. Only in Kashmir we can find rishta.
Ah, okay. This is the Samsis is really tasty. Mustafa said it, right? Mustafa recommended it.
Yusuf
Yeah, yeah. Yusuf as well said it. So those people who
start?
met like in,
I'm not able to win, you know.
I don't mind if you start because mine is like a different dish, you know. Like
Yeah, I'll go.
yeah.
Bismillah.
Thank you. Yes, let's taste Samsis.